Hi, Chef Day here.
Today I'll be preparing tofu katsu don. Enjoy the crispy panko-breaded tofu in a tasty simmered soup on the rice. A flavorful Japanese vegetarian rice bowl that's easy to make and so delicious. The link to the full recipe is in the description. You will need 2 servings of cooked rice. For the tofu katsu, 1 block of tofu, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of panko-breaded crumbs, salt and pepper, vegetable oil. For simmering, 1/2 of onion, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of meaning, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of dust powder. Step 1. Remove excess water by pressing tofu. Cut into rectangles and season with salt and pepper. Step 2. Set up shallow bowls with flour, beating egg, and panko breadcrumbs. Coat tofu in flour, beating egg, and breadcrumbs, pressing gently. Step 3. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Fry the breaded tofu until golden brown and crispy on all sides. Place them on a wire rack or paper towel to remove excess oil. Step 4. Thinly slice the onion and beat the egg. Cut the tofu katsu into bite-sized pieces. Step 5. Combine sliced onion, meaning soy sauce, dust powder, and water in a frying pan. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes until the onions become tender. Step 6. Place the cut tofu katsu into the pan and pour the beaten egg over it. Cover the pan and cook for 3 minutes over low heat until the egg is almost cooked through. Scoop cooked rice into serving bowls. Place the tofu katsu pieces on top of the rice and pour the soup over. I hope you enjoy this hearty tofu katsu don. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.